Good morning. I've got some things I need to do today, so I thought I'd bring you guys along and show you how I'm carrying my gun today and just do kind of a vlog and share how my gun is affecting my day or if it's uncomfortable or not. So I'm just going to show you how I'm carrying right now. I have this Crossbreed Holster's Appendix Holster and my shield with a 7-round mag in it. And then I've got my extra magazine, an 8-round mag, being held in my pocket with a Neo mag, and my little buck knife. And I'm just wearing a flannel over it with some jeans. So let's go. All right, as you can see, there's snow on the ground, but it's actually pretty warm out today. So I'm just wearing a light jacket. This is my North Face jacket, and I've got a backpack on just because I want to keep my hands free and I don't feel like carrying a purse. So let's do this. Today I have to go to Home Depot because I'm gonna start my first garden this year and I'm super excited. So I have to get some seed starting stuff, and I've never done this before, but my sister does it every year now and she's really good at it. So she's kind of given me advice on what I need to get. And then I have to bring lunch to my boyfriend because he's training someone today, so I'm gonna bring them lunch and hopefully shoot my rifle a bit. So I'll bring you guys along for all that. I'm sitting in the car now and my gun's right here. It's not extremely uncomfortable, but I can still tell there's a gun here. My leg is, you know, when I sit down, the crease is here and the gun ends here, so it's really not hitting my leg. My magazine I can feel a little bit. It's in my pocket, but again, not terribly uncomfortable. So let's put our seatbelts on for safety. So now that I have my seatbelt on, it's covering the gun right here. If I needed to draw my gun, I'd have to kind of do this, which is a little inconvenient, but that's just something to be aware of. How is your seatbelt going to interfere with your draw if you needed to draw your gun? Something to think about. So let's hit the road, shall we? This is overwhelming. This is what I got so far. Starting mix and these little peat things. Oh boy. Now what do I plant? Do I go organic? Do I get these things? I like carrots. And beets. I like broccoli. Is that hard to grow? This is slightly overwhelming, but I'm comfortable. I've got my jacket open, so I have easy access if I needed to access my firearm. Now I'm just looking for a little hand shovel. I seem to have found the big ones, so they must be close by. Does anybody else think that the lumber section of Home Depot smells heavenly? I don't even need anything from here. Alright, well I've got what I thought I needed, and I got probably way too many seeds, but I'm really excited to start planting those things. So I'm about to shoot my rifle. This is a Savage Axis. It's a youth model, so it has a shorter barrel and a shorter stock because I'm a small person. I'm hoping to hunt with this someday. It's a 7mm 08. So I'm just going to shoot it a bit now and then go home because it's icky outside. I'm just waiting for them to clean up the range and I'm freezing.
Going high and left. Not by much, though.
I am all over the place today. Just getting something for a little surprise tonight for Bay. I'm back home now. I just got a lot done. But I just want to show you, my gun hasn't moved at all. It was very comfortable in this holster all day. And for the days when I do wear a belt, which are very rare, I do like this holster a lot. I like that the clip is on the side rather than right on top of it, so it's not as bulky as another holster would be if the clip was up front. So yeah. If you want to see more videos like this where I just take you along with me all day and kind of show you how I carry, let me know in the comments, and make sure you like this video and subscribe to my channel to see my upcoming videos. So I hope you all have a great day, and I'll see you later. Bye!